What if I told you that there is a simple, natural substance that reduced ADHD symptoms by more than 50%? It's not a drug, and even more surprising, it matched the effectiveness of the drug Ritalin in clinical trials. No side effects, better sleep, calmer kids, grown-ups. It's incredible, and almost no one is talking about it. Stick around until the very end, because in a minute I will reveal what this mysterious substance is, how it works, how to take it, where to get it, and so on. Let's get straight into it. First of all, the research. Scientists recently put this herb to a test in several randomized controlled trials, and the results are really shocking. In a 2019 double-blind study with 54 children and teens between 6 and 17 years old, the group taking this natural extract, and it should be the standardized extract, they took 30 milligrams per day, and they improved just as much as the group taking Ritalin, the drug, with all the side effects and stuff, over 6 weeks. I'm not a doctor, I'm not telling you don't take your drug, but I'm telling you strictly what the research says about this very rare herb, which everyone can get. Teachers of these children reported that the ADHD symptoms of the kids dropped by about 52% compared to the Ritalin group, which was 56%, and that is actually a prescription drug. Well, then in 2021, researchers tried combining the herb with Ritalin together. In a trial of 70 children, the combination of these two things, the herb and Ritalin, group showed faster and stronger improvements, especially in hyperactivity and impulsivity within only a few weeks. I think within 4 weeks. I have ADHD. I tried it out for 3 weeks now, and I really feel significant improvements myself of that very rare herb. And I'm not taking any medication, of course. Meanwhile, the Ritalin only group improved more slowly. Interesting, right? And it doesn't stop there. A 2022 study in Spain tested a patented extract called Saffron in 63 kids and teens. Maybe by now you can actually guess already what herb we are talking about. After 12 weeks, results again matched Ritalin, but with a twist. The herb worked better for hyperactivity, while Ritalin slightly won for inattention. Plus, only this natural extract helped kids fall asleep faster. A big deal, since the stimulant medications like Ritalin often cause insomnia. So finally in adults, I'm pretty sure you're an adult watching this, a small 2022 trial found that people who added this extract to their ADHD medication reported better focus and less restlessness than the medication alone in the other group. Across studies, the dose ranged between 15 and 30 milligram daily. I take 30 milligram of that rare herb, and participants consistently saw benefits within 6 to 12 weeks. I personally noticed benefits within 3 weeks or so, but that is just my personal experience, with minimal side effects. Quite crazy, right? So how does it work? How does it pull this off? Researchers believe that this herb influences dopamine and norepinephrine, the same brain chemicals targeted by ADHD medication, but instead of overstimulating, it gently balances these neurotransmitters, improving attention and calmness. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent, protecting brain cells from oxidative stress, which some researchers link to ADHD symptoms. And beyond ADHD, this natural compound has shown antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects in multiple studies. Parents from the trials even noticed side benefits. Kids were sleeping better, feeling calmer, and not losing their appetite. Something rarely said about any stimulants. Well, let's reveal what it is if you didn't guess it already. What is this rare yet widely available herb? It is saffron, the golden red spice from the Crocus sativus flower. Yes, the same spice used in paella, Persian rice, and all of these nice foods maybe you have tried before. I personally like them whenever I travel to Spain, but I mean, now I'm on a ketogenic diet, but it's beautiful, right? You're not taking this spice itself. There's actually a standardized extract which you can buy as a pill, and that contains the saffron extract, which is actually supported by several clinical trials. Let me know what you think about that, dear ladies and gentlemen. As always, I'm not a doctor, but if you like this video, if you like the content, make sure you subscribe and you share it with your friends. And as always, guys, bye.